Hello everyone. Today is Monday, and this is going to be day one of my 30-day drawing challenge. It's me, your old pal Max West. I draw comics and I do children's picture books. And for the first day of the drawing challenge, I have watercolor paper here, 11 by 15 inch. Got some tooth to it, some thickness. I'm going to draw an ink drawing with pencil, pen, and later on colored ink. I'm going to start with Mayor Sidewinder. He's the mayor of the town of Poison Ivy Gulch from my Old West webcomic, Poison Ivy Gulch. Let's see here. Now, I'm going to start off. Start here with some light pencil. Give him his big schnozola there. See that? Yeah, you can't see well because pencil doesn't reproduce well. But you will see after, as I'm going to tighten it up here with some HB pencil. Alright. Now the next, we start tightening up pencils. I love working with mechanical pencils. I find them better than the typical wooden pencil. Alright, now here we draw in his eye. You see how much better that looks now? Of course, yeah, we're going to go over all this in pen, and then after all that dries, I'm going to add some color, give him his big schnozola, put in that big mustache of his. Now we'll give him his beard and his rather long hair. Alright, there we go. And you see how much more vivid that looks? There he is, Mayor Sidewinder of Poison Ivy Gulch. Let's tighten this up a little more. Alright. Alright, now the pen I'm going to be using here, this is a Staedtler pigment liner. This is a bit of a thicker tip. I'm going to ink this in. I'm going to let this dry. And once this is fully dried and everything, I'm going to erase the pencils. And we're going to color this in with some ink. I'll cover that in the second part of this video. Right here. Gives a nice variety of lines. Probably this is meant for calligraphy. That calligraphy, that's a art style unto itself. That's probably a whole other video. You see how rich that black pen ink looks? You're starting to look like something there. You know, if we ever get this animated, he kind of would have a growly type voice. No, not like Yosemite Sam, but he's kind of a underhanded, sleazy mayor. So I think a growling, gravelly type voice would fit in well. Alright, let's finish his beard there. Let's just do his eyeball and his eye. Let's do his big schnoz there. Fill in the mustache. Now we're going to just do his clothing. That suit of his. There we go. Well, that's the end of the first part of this video. I'm going to let this dry for a while, and then after that's all dry, I'll erase the pencil lines and do the colors. So, stay tuned. The first day of the drawing challenge will be continuing. Until later, this is Max West saying goodbye.